Hello friends, welcome to MongoDB with C# beginners tutorial. This is the 9th video of the tutorial series. If you're watching our video for the first time, you can find the playlist link and all of the video links of this tutorial series in the description. I suggest you to watch previous videos if you are a beginner. We request you to support us by subscribing the channel and liking the videos. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notified once we upload new videos. We'll be uploading more video tutorials of latest technologies and techniques in software development. So stay updated. Now let us start the session. So in this video, we are going to cover how we can use or how we can get data by ID. So currently this is our sample database, what we have created for the demo application. So now I'm opening the product collection. We are having a collection named product. So just switching the views to tabular view. Okay, fine. So you can see there are 4 different fields. The first one is ID and product code, product name, price. So here in this video we are explaining how we can get a particular record, for example this record, by ID. If we need to fetch this particular record using the ID, how we can achieve that from our application. So let's open our Visual Studio sample application, C# sample application. Now I am just copying the button and creating a new one. Okay, just renaming it to get by ID. And okay, the name also I'm giving as btn get by ID. Okay, now I'm taking the click event of this particular button. Okay, so here what we need to do is first I'm just declaring a variable named product ID with which we need to get the record. So I'm just viewing the document. So this is how the data will be saved in MongoDB in a JSON format. So we just need this particular value. This is the ID value. So this value is of product code 103. Product name is 100003. Okay. So I'm just pasting that ID value here. Now we are going to check how we can get that particular data using this particular ID. Okay, so just showing our model class. Sorry, product model class. So as we have already mentioned the attributes, like this is the JSON ID, and here we have mentioned the data type as string. So inside the application, the data type of product ID will be string, and here we have given the attribute JSON representation. So in database, the data type will be object ID. So here you can see the data type is coming as object ID of that particular value. Okay. So here what we need to do is we are just declaring a filter definition. Builders of product dot filter, sorry, of filter dot equal to a such that a dot product ID. So product ID is the field. Now here we need to give the value. So I'm giving the value here. So this is the filter definition what we need to use. Now what product? So we know there will be only one particular record with this product ID. Why? Because product ID is unique. That is the unique ID of that particular collection. So in previous find option, we have used toList method as we are returning multiple records, but here we are just giving product collection dot find of filter definition, the filter definition what we have created here. Dot, instead of to list, here we are using first or default. So this particular function will return the product object if it exists. So if there is any product record with this ID, it will return that particular object, otherwise it will be a null. So here I'm just declaring another, I'm just showing this product details in a message box. So for showing that, I'm just declaring a variable named message box text box is equal to product name is product dot product name. So product is the object what we got while executing this particular command, and product code is product dot product code. So we can just check whether it is returning product name as product 100003 and product code 103. Now I'm just showing the message box dot show, and the message box text should be this one. Fine. Now let's run the application. Yeah, the application is running now. So here we have hard-coded the product ID. Now let me check by clicking this get by ID button. Yes, you can see it has returned a single product, and the product name is product 100003 and product code is 103. Fine, so that is working fine. So this is how we can return a record by its ID. Now I just need to show one more thing. Now instead of product ID, so in our database, we know the product code is also unique. There is no two products or multiple products with the same product code. So I'm just creating a filter definition using product code, and the product code should be the product code what we have, the value what we have given in this product code text box. Okay, rest all things should be the same. Why? Because we need to, as we need to return a single product, here we have to use first or default instead of to list. So it will return a single product if it exists. So now I'm giving one more thing here. If product is not equal to null, so as I told, if there is a product available in the database with this particular filter definition, then it will return the product object, otherwise it will be null. So in order to check that, I'm just giving like this. So if the product is not equal to null, then it should show the message box, else we have to show a message box saying no product exists with the given product code. Now let's run the application. Okay, so first I'm giving product code 110, and sorry, we haven't renamed the button. Anyway, that we know this when clicking this particular button, this function will get executed. So yeah, see, now it has returned product 110 is the product name and product code is 110. Okay, fine. Now I'm just giving a product code which is not in the list. Okay, 200 is not in the list. See, so that means it got to the else part and this particular message got displayed. So the product will be null if the record doesn't exist. So this is what I need to show in this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, Thank you all. So see you in the next video.